together a super quick, well, kind of quick dinner. I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. These are my ingredients. I got my cherry tomatoes, my sliced mushrooms, my spinach. I'm gonna slice that onion up, and then that is the gold. You're gonna start by softening the mushrooms and the onion. Forgot to mention this, but roast a spaghetti squash 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, and then turn those over and let them cool. You're gonna add in your cherry tomatoes and let those soften, and then you're gonna pour in your bag of baby spinach. Again, let it soften, add some salt and pepper. And then you're gonna open up your Boursin cheese. This comes in a couple different flavors. I just use garlic and herb. You're gonna turn the heat off, put that in the pan, and then cover it. Let it sit there while you're getting the spaghetti squash ready. A few minutes later, the Boursin cheese has been melted. You're gonna mix and mash that all in there, and then you're gonna place it into your spaghetti squash boats. I've got my oven still going at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna pop these into the oven after I add a little bit of Parmesan cheese for about 15 minutes, and there you go. Go to thekellykitchen.com for more.